Ooh, baby. Look at this man go. Just a man in his bus.
Man in his Twinkie.
Mr. Twinkie.
What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Fix It Garage. Today, well, we're not actually going to be working in here today. I know I said we were going to work on the Volkswagen today, but unfortunately, I don't have most of the parts here yet, so we can't really do anything on it, and I'm not going to show any more wiring videos. I think you guys have probably seen enough wiring videos for right now. Maybe we'll do another one on final assembly when I finish building the harness completely. But otherwise, I'm gonna spare you guys from any wiring videos. Today, no, we're gonna be going and working on my friend's 1969 Volkswagen bus. We're not gonna be doing anything crazy, any weird swaps, no. We're pulling out his quote-unquote big motor. He told me what size it was and I forgot because I'm a terrible person at remembering things. We're putting in a brand new, built motor in this thing that will hopefully solve some of the problems that he's been having with his big motor so we can actually enjoy and drive his bus. With that being said, we're gonna jump right into the action of pulling this engine out. Let's go, guys. So pulling the motor out of one of these, really not that hard. What we ended up doing after we pulled the motor is we wanted to drain the gas tank because we saw a little bit of rust in the fuel lines and at the carburetors, so we wanted to see what was kind of going on. So we drained the gas tank, we looked inside and found out it was clean. It's actually a fuel line that was on the motor that was rusty, that was putting rust. The fuel was picking up those rust particles and then contaminating the fuel system. So we went ahead and we cleaned that out before we were gonna put the new motor in. So we got the motor out, we got the tank out, we already put the tank back in, bolted it up as well. So now it is time to go ahead and install the new engine, which on the Volkswagen, as I'm about to show you guys, is not very hard.
He's good to go. and his bus.
Man and his Twinkie.
Twinkie. I love my Twinkie. Mr. Twinkie.
Well, that's it, guys. We got it in, we got it running. Runs really well. He still needs to sync the carburetors, which he's gonna do on his own time. I wanna say thank you to my buddy, Nick, for letting me come and film this process so I have a video to bring to you guys today. Honestly, without that, I don't really know what I was gonna do for a video today. So thank you, Nick, for letting me come out and film and help out. It was a lot of fun getting to learn a little bit about carbureted engines and carburation and all that, and learning more about air-cooled stuff, since, I mean, you guys see me, I don't play with air-cooled. Right now I primarily play with Subaru engines. Eventually we're gonna play with other motors, but for now, Subaru motors. But that is gonna do it for today, guys. I wanna thank all of you guys for watching. As always, if you guys like what you saw, please do not forget to smash that like button. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of his bus and his motor. And as always, if you guys like the content and you want to see more, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Every day, we're getting closer to the goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers. And thank you guys for that. I appreciate it. Let's keep on moving up. I've looked back at all the videos from the Volkswagen. You guys seem to really like this stuff, so obviously we're gonna keep putting this car together. We're not gonna stop. I cannot wait to show you guys all of the new parts that I will be getting once they get here. I have a few sitting behind you, which we'll show you guys probably in the next video. With that being said, thank you guys all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Ooh, baby, Mr. Twinkie. I love my Twinkie. Ooh, baby.